Today is the start of Holga week, so the 1st to 7th of October every year. So we're going to load up my stereo pinhole Holga with some Kentmere 400 and go and have some fun. And stop. Okay, we have a problem. The wind-on knob has fallen off the camera, so it just needs a little bit of super glue on there, but first we need to clean that old glue out before putting the new stuff on. So it should only take a couple of minutes to do. Just need to be careful to not get any glue around the edge of the column. So no longer with Kentmere, I've got a roll of Rolly RPX 400. I'm going to load that up instead.